morning. Whew, that's bright. Well, sun's up finally. Well, good morning. Let's see what my phone says here. Ah. 29 degrees outside. Well, welcome to Mason, Texas. Wolfcaves for PBR. It is very cold. But Robert gave me the penthouse suite here in his Nobo trailer. Got the tent up, and you know, surprisingly, I'm actually kind of comfortable. Granted, I'm inside 2 sleeping bags, right? And in a hoodie. But you know, once you get nice and warm and toasty in there, I actually slept very well. So let's make our way outside and let's get this event on the road.
Come right there where you are. Just straighten up, yeah, right there. Now turn driver a little bit. No, we got him, Kevin. Yeah. Come on through here, AJ. That's good right there. Go passenger a little bit. All right, straighten up, straighten up. There you go. That's good. You're going to come up on passenger now. Cut it passenger. Can I go passenger for me? Yeah, okay. There you go. Now, easy. You're coming down on driver here. Rock rail. Back passenger will come up. Don't cut driver yet. Keep going kind of straight for me. Rear driver's coming up now. Cut driver a little bit, and then rear's going to come down. There you go. Go up as far as you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, now cut hard passenger. Whoa. Now hard driver. Hard driver. Austin Powers. All right. I'm just not taking us down the direction where you had to come off last time that you were pretty screwed.
So somebody must have come here and slid this boulder some more, because we didn't have this kind of, I mean, I drove through here last time, it seems like.
passenger.
Yeah, Jay, you make it look too easy, man.
What are we gonna try to do?
Get it, flip the tires off the ground.
Take it slow on this one, because you're going to be coming down.
Yeah, you can.
It wasn't as flexy, but it was definitely more efficient.
Yeah, no joke.
Like no joke. You did that in what? A minute? Like
1
45
minute,
seconds?
23 seconds.
Yeah, I want to be all crazy where I feel like I'm
Yeah.
fixing to roll it.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
I mean,
Man, now I
smooth
gotta
and
walk
level
all
for
the
me,
way.
babe.
You're gonna start coming down a little bit on your driver. Nice and slow. Start coming a little bit past you. Right there. Stop. Come straight. Straighten it out. Yep. Here comes your passenger. One more ledge. Little bump. Yep. One more. Okay, your front end is down. You should be able to manage it down. It's less steep on the right, the last ledge. But it's only maybe up to like a 5. That's not trust, I don't know what. Yeah, right there. And you're going to drop subtly on your driver. Here comes your passenger. First leg. Down. Keep going. Just stay straight in that line of frog. I'll tell you when to start going down. Okay, now you can, yeah. Passenger. Cut out there.
Yeah.
Come on, you little rod knocker, you can do it.
All right, give me some driver. Driver. Now you'll follow AJ.
All right, start coming passenger a little bit, Michael. little bit, driver. Okay, come on right there. Now back to the passenger. There you go. Yeah, you're okay. Come on back, Michael. You're good. All right, hold it right there. Hard this way. Come on. A little bit. There you go. All right, there you go, bud.
All right, come forward. Just let it crawl. Yep. Yep, you got it.
Hold on 1 second. Let me see how close you are to that rock back there. There you go. There you go. That right there. You're coming up. Don't stop. Just go for it. You're good. You got it.
Woohoo!
Keep going. You're good.
Yep.
Look, a phone on the trail.
Oh my gosh. Fine.
Wow.
Roll up it right there. Nice, easy. Easy. Not heavy on the throttle. Just crawl
Watch
it.
his back driver tire.
You're good. It'll crawl. Just very light on the throttle. There you go. Just go straight right there.
Woohoo! Now turn left.
Yeah, go driving now.
Yeah.
And well, that is it for PBR 2023 out here at Wolfcaves in Mason, Texas. If you've never visited this park, I highly recommend it. There are some extremely challenging trails out here, especially for us mostly stock Jeeps. Also want to give a big thanks to Josh, Providence, Robert, Scott, Ron. Each of you guys helped contribute to the video footage and the making of this video, and I really appreciate it. One thing I have not quite mastered is how to film my own Jeep while I'm driving. Till next time, see you guys later.